Okay, today you are going to be a tourist guide. You are going to give recommendations to a tourist who is coming for the first time to your city or any city that you can imagine. And we are going to use Google Street Map to present the place. So you can use the expression, for example, you should visit, you might want to, make sure you do something. These are like recommendations. And you can use can for possibility, like you can go to a coffee shop, you can drink coffee, you can visit the castle. So this is the language the tourist guide is going to use. And this here is or are the questions that the tourist can ask. For example, where can I drink? Help me. Where can I drink? Chicha. Yes, it's a traditional drink. Do you recommend
Go at night.
walking at
Walking
night?
at night.
For example, do you recommend walking at night? Another, where can I, or can I find?
Where can I find the San Felipe Castle?
Where can I find the San Felipe Castle? So it's going to be a conversation between the tourist guide and the tourist. So I'm going to show you one example using Google Maps. So what do we have here? Do you recognize the place?
Yes.
This is the cathedral. So I'm going to start. Welcome to Barranquilla. This is the cathedral. You can see here the cathedral. So what can you do inside the cathedral? You can go to a mass or you can take photographs. It's very beautiful inside. And in front of the cathedral there is a square. Here you can skate, for example. But don't skate at noon because here in Barranquilla is very sunny. Try to skate in the morning or in the evening. In front of the square, you can see a shopping mall. So what can you do in the shopping mall? You can drink coffee, you can buy clothes. And here there is a bank. You can withdraw money from the bank. So that's what you're going to say as a tourist guide. Now I need a volunteer to come here. Who is going to come? Sarah, go ahead.
Well, now we are in Cartagena, inside the walled city. We are near to the statue of Pedro Heredia. Here we have the clock tower that it's a really popular and like an icon spot of Cartagena, of the city. Here, like in this building, there sell some traditional sweets in this area.
Okay, sir, I have a question. Where can I drink some coffee near the clock tower?
I think that here in this other building there's a coffee, there's also a restaurant, and also in this building that there is also a hotel in which you can stay and you can see a lot of you can see like all the statue and the thing that happened like inside there.
Okay, I need someone to ask a question. Can you ask a question?
Do you recommend eating in these restaurants? Yes, I recommend it in this restaurant or maybe in this other one. I think that they are really well because they have a lot of seafood and also barbecues and all of that kind of food.
Another question? Do you have another question?
Yes. Then I find
where can you buy souvenirs? Where can she buy souvenirs?
In this building, you can also buy some souvenir from the city, like also craft and all of that things.
So do you understand this activity? Because you are going to get in groups, and one of you is going to be the tourist guide, and the other 2 or 3 students are going to be the tourists. So I'm going to give you some time to prepare. You can choose any country or city in the world. Maybe here in Colombia or in Europe, in Africa, it doesn't matter. So thank you, Sarah. Can you sit? And now please get in groups and remember this. This is the language the tourist guide is going to use. Very simple. And the tourists can ask questions. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Get to work, please.